Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where we teach on people on how to solve some problems, especially how to make online money, which is very important. People are looking for ways in making money on their own without working for anybody. This is what we do on this channel, and we also give a solution to all your questions, especially when you subscribe to the channel. Because it's when you subscribe to the channel that you will be receiving notification on each of the uh, answer that I'll be giving to your question that you would like to share with other people. It's only when you have a solution that you give someone what you have. So if you have something that is bothering you in the mind and your mind, and you can go to the description below and comment. Then we'll do a video for it. But like I said, I have uh, what I want to be teaching you this point to be doing, especially for those that do ask questions on how to download YouTube videos. Yes, how to download YouTube videos. If you want to download YouTube videos, it is different from downloading YouTube videos inside a YouTube platform. Example, this is my video. I want to click on this video and let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, if it is phone, if it is on phone, if you come to this place, you will see where it says download. If you have a phone that can browse, see download. But since it's on the system, you cannot download a video inside the system. So it's only you save and watch later. But what I will be teaching you is not the one that you will download inside your phone and watch later. The one that you can download and even transfer it to a friend by using Zenda or to a friend, whatever way you want to transfer the video. Is what I'll be teaching you. Now, I have a website that you can use to do this work. What is the name of that website? It is called YouTube Download. Good. YouTube Downloader. This is it. YouTube Mates. YTUmate.com is the website. So by the time you type this, it take you to this place on Google. YTUmate.com. Now, what do you need to do is to go to the video that you want to copy, you want to download. For example, I want to download this my video. What I will do is just to simply click on this share button, and you see where it says copy this link. I'll copy this link. Then I'll go straight to where it says yeah, this particular place. Then all I need to do is to highlight, because I've been using it before. These are some of the videos that I've downloaded. Then I highlight, I paste the recent one. It will then be converting into the, you can see it here now. It has already converted it to the sizes that I want to watch. Now, make money online. This is the video I've done. You can see here now, it has generated the link into video, and look at the resolution. You want to download the audio, only the audio, you can click on this place, give only the audio. If you want to download the video, it will give you audio. And remember, all of these videos, they are MP4 videos, it's not MP3. So it's super good. So the different pixel that you'll be downloading or sizes, they are all here. Now let's assume I want to download this particular one. Now all I need to do is to click on download. You click on download, it says download to MP4. So by the time I click it now, it will be downloading to my website. And if you download it, that is how to send it. You can send it to people and they will get what you need. So you can download the YouTube, any video that you want to watch, you can download it and send it to people. Send it for people those that need it and they cannot download. You can forward the video to them through Zenda or whatever means that you want to send it. So this is how to extract video from YouTube. Let's go again. I said you click on any video that you want to download. For example, you want to download on how to create a paper account. Then what you need to do is to go to where it says share. You copy the link. You come to where it says ytube.com. This is the website, ytube.com. Then to take you to this place, you paste the link and it generates. It give you exactly what you are looking for and you download. So this is how to do it. Thank you very much for paying attention while the video or why the explanation was being said on the video. Try to subscribe to the channel, and when I drop a video that is very interesting, you'll be among those that will get it. Thank you.